Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a real-time example of a trend trading strategy applied to USD yen. Many traders find it difficult to predict market moves in advance compared to backtesting, and that is why we are going to look at this on a real-time example. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. So let's begin. For a trend trading strategy to work properly, we need to determine the direction of the trend. When an asset is moving up, you would look to enter a long position and buy. And when an asset is trending down, thus showing a downtrend, we will look at to enter a short position and sell. However, it is not that simple. I'm going to explain this. If we are going to refer to the previous analysis, I explained everything with details, how the price was developing here. And as you can see from the final scenario that we had, the price moved up from 143.50 up to 148. So what is happening for the moment? On the daily chart, we can see that we are clearly on a bullish trend. So this is our bullish trend if we are going to refer to the chart. And if we are going to break this down after we determined our main trend, we are going to look at what is happening on a lower time frame. And our lower time frame is showing that we are still on bullish trend. If we are going to refer to the previous pattern that we had on a 4-hour, we were on a bullish trend, but on the other hand, the price was moving on the 4-hour on a bearish trend. So we had two different trends within the bigger picture. In the same way, the price is moving on the 4-hour chart is showing for a bullish trend, and for this reason we are going to look at for bullish patterns as we were looking before for a bearish pattern. In our current price development, we can see that we have this pattern here. I published this analysis also today, and we have this bullish flag pattern that is already taking shape. This pattern is a trend continuation pattern. It is used a lot through the trading community, and this is showing that after the breakout of the pattern, the price is going to rise further. However, why this pattern is showing for a possible bullish movement? After we had the beginning of the bullish trend, so this was the 4-hour trend that we are already looking at right now. I'm going to leave it in this area here. The price increased on this 4-hour by creating small trend continuation patterns. We had one small here, a type of flat pattern, and the price increased further, and later we saw the price to create these moves, showing in this way that it was creating a type of correction before another move up. This pattern is very large overall, and it was required a lot of bullish momentum in order to break out from this area. Usually this type of flag patterns tend to have selling pressure on the upper side of the pattern, and also we have the buyers that are well positioned on the lower part of the pattern. As long as the price had the power to break out from this area here, from this pattern, now it is moving down, and this is a moment that the price is releasing liquidity. So for us, this is showing that the buyers have more chances at this moment to push the price higher again. If we are going to look at on this perspective here, because it looks better on the 4-hour time frame, the chances are that the buyers will increase the numbers close to this small structure zone, 147.77.80, so this is our area, and from this point we can see the bullish volume getting stronger. The first target that we can take for this trade as a short-term trade can be close to the top of the previous structure, because it has more chances for the short-term trading, for the price to test the upper part of this pattern here. And if the price will manage to rise further it should continue to break through the top of the previous structure. But where we can look at for taking profits if the price will begin rising from this moment. So the chances are that the price may stop close to a structure zone, and if we are going to refer to the structure area on the left, this is a very big structure, and it makes sense that the price can face resistance on this zone. So this is another beautiful target that we can look at for a possible bullish movement. So this is what we are looking at. However, the price can continue also to rise further up to the top of the structure as a possible retest of a bigger picture before we see a possible change in trend. So overall picture that we are looking at will be a possible bearish movement, as I have explained on the previous analysis. So this is overall a trend trading strategy that I am looking at for USDN. It is also supported from a fundamental perspective from FOMC interest rate decision that the Fed didn't change the interest rates. They said that they are data dependent, so Powell is still hawkish on the USD, and this is raising the chances that we can see the price rising even more. So we have the technical perspective and also fundamental perspective that is supporting the bullish movement. However, we have to be careful again, because this pattern is used to add the chances to our analysis. However, like every trading strategy, it has a specific failure rate. So nothing works out 100% all the time in trading. However, we should trade with higher chances on our side. So this is the trading strategy that I'm looking at for USDN in a real-time example. I hope you guys enjoy this analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.